If you do get a flat tire, knowing how to use your tire service kit repair system will get you back on the road quickly and safely. If equipped, the tire service kit is located under the rear cargo floor. Remember that roadside assistance may be available. Consult your owner's information for details. If you do get a flat tire, find a safe location, park, and turn on your hazard lights. Turn off the ignition and set the parking brake. Position the damaged tire so that the valve stem is near the ground. This will allow the tire service kit hose to reach the valve stem with the kit flat on the ground. Place the kit on the ground next to the flat tire. Make sure the power button is in the off or O position. Screw the clear filling tube to the tire valve. Insert the power plug into the vehicle power outlet socket. Start the engine. Push the tire service kit power button to the I position. The kit will activate. Sealant and air will inflate the tire. Minimum 26 psi or 1.8 bar of pressure should be reached within 20 minutes. If the pressure has not been reached, turn off and remove the tire service kit. Drive the vehicle 30 feet or 10 meters back and forth to better distribute the sealant inside the tire. Attach the clear filling tube to the tire valve and repeat the inflation process. When correct pressure has been reached, drive the vehicle for about 5 miles, 8 kilometers, or 10 minutes. Stop, apply the parking brake, and recheck the tire pressure. If the pressure is below 19 psi, 1.3 bar, then the tire is too damaged. Do not drive the vehicle. Contact the nearest authorized dealer. If the pressure is at 19 psi, 1.3 bar, or above, repeat the inflation process to reach the correct tire pressure and continue driving. Peel off the warning label from the bottle and place it on the dashboard as a reminder to the driver that the tire has been treated with the tire service kit. Replace the sealant canister prior to the expiration date at your authorized dealer. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.